What's up guys, Samsung is about to go crazy again. As we have seen this year, Samsung was launched so many Galaxy A series phones, but some of them might not be that much appealing. But it seems like next year Samsung take their strategy to a whole new level. As we have talked about it before, Samsung is planning to launch 9 Galaxy A series phones next year as well, which names will start from A11 to all the way up to A91. But now Samsung has officially confirmed Galaxy A91 in their website. As we know, Galaxy Note 10 Plus supports 45 watt of fast charging, and to charge with this speed you have to buy this 45 watt charger, which is currently only available on Samsung's official website. But now this charger listing confirms the unreleased Samsung phones, which is the Galaxy A91 and A95G, which is coming later down the year. Also, a great listener named Sudhanshu, not sure pronouncing his name right, leaked the full camera specs of all 2020 A series Galaxy phones. Here is no Galaxy A11, don't know why, but Galaxy A21, A31 and A41 are the devices which will have 3 cameras on the back, and from A51 to A91 all will have a quad cameras. And if you look at the Galaxy A91, so it will have a 108 megapixel main camera. Now in case you don't know, so Samsung recently announced their 108 megapixel ISO bright HMX sensor, the first mobile image sensor in the industry to go beyond 100 million pixels. Xiaomi and Samsung was work closely together for this 108 megapixel sensor, and Xiaomi's phone, which is going to be Mi Mix 4, is said to be industry's first mobile phone to have this one-of-a-kind sensor. And to reveal the potential power of this 108 megapixel HMX sensor, President of Xiaomi said, and I quote, "We are very pleased that picture resolutions previously available only in a few top-tier DSLR cameras can now be designed into smartphones." So that is indeed a very big statement. The 100 million effective pixels really help you to capture extremely sharp photos, rich in detail, and it's also produce great results in low lighting conditions as well as good outdoor lighting conditions. It uses something called Smart ISO to reduce the noise in the image, and it can also be able to shoot video at 6K resolution with 30 frames per second. So this is indeed a very big thing which we're gonna see in Samsung's A series phone in 2020. And apart from that, if you are an M series user, then here is good news for you. So Samsung is about to launch the new Galaxy M30s next month. According to a new report, the South Korean company will be launching it as early as next month, and it will come with 48 megapixel triple camera setup. It has also revealed that Galaxy M30s will be fueled by a new Exynos processor that Samsung has not used on its M series or smartphone before. And without mentioning the exact size of its battery, it has claimed that Galaxy M30s will be arriving with industry-leading battery capacity, which according to some rumors will be a 5800 or 6000 mAh capacity. Yes, you heard that right, 6000 mAh. And knowing that, it will also carry support for rapid fast charging. So yeah, that's all on Samsung for now. Make sure to subscribe for all the upcoming latest news and leaks, and yeah, see you soon.